Hey guys, I'm mad. Why am I mad, you ask? This is the fourth time I've recorded this, trying to get the audio to work correctly. I'm about tired of this freaking microphone right here. I don't like it anymore. I fiddled with all the settings in the computer going into the deep down. Bleh. But it was this. Bleh. Logitech. I'm going to repeat what I said. Again. I am out of college now. I completed my other semester and I am taking the summer semester off. Why haven't I made a vlog in a while, you might ask? I have been playing these games. Super Smash Brothers Brawl and Mario Kart Wii. I think I would also like to make mention that I have completed Pokemon Yellow. I am now in the process of working on Pokemon Crystal. I have 2 badges. Another project that I will be starting soon is a video game reviewing section, and it will be a preview of what Razorblade Mask and I intend to do in about 2 weeks. It will be 2-minute reviews, and I will do that. I think I'd also like to make mention that I have 19 subscribers. I am 1 away from 20. 1 closer before I have 1,000,004. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.